Are you stuck with the message your storage could not be upgraded while trying to boost your iCloud storage in your iPhone? It's frustrating, right? This can happen for several reasons, like connectivity hiccups or issues with your Apple ID. But don't stress, it's fixable. In this video, I'll walk you through simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. So grab your iPhone and let's dive in. Before you start, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're using VPN, disconnect it as it might interfere with the process. Solution 1. Sign out and back into iCloud. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Scroll down and select Sign Out. Wait for a moment and sign back in with your Apple ID credentials. Solution 2. Update iOS. Open Settings. Tap General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install to ensure your device has the latest features and fixes. Solution 3. Try upgrading storage again. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, select iCloud, then tap Storage. Tap Get More Storage. Choose the plan that works best for you. Then hit Upgrade to iCloud Plus to complete the process. Solution 4. Check your payment method. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top. Select Payment and Shipping. Make sure your payment method is valid and up to date. An invalid payment method could prevent the upgrade. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings and go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset network settings. Then enter your passcode. Finally, tap Reset network settings again to confirm. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve that your storage could not be upgraded issue and get your iCloud storage back on track. If you're still facing trouble or have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. See you in the next video.